Ever wondered what it takes to become a chartered financial analyst, or why this prestigious designation is so sought after in the financial world? In this video, I'll explain what a CFA is, the benefits of earning this title, and how you can embark on the journey to becoming one. Stay tuned to discover how the CFA can transform your career in finance. What is a Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA? A Chartered Financial Analyst, or CFA, is a globally recognized professional designation for financial experts specializing in investment management, financial analysis, and portfolio management. It's awarded by the CFA Institute and is considered one of the highest qualifications in the finance industry. If you're aiming for a career in hedge funds, banking, or asset management, the CFA charter is a game changer. Why is the CFA important? Earning the CFA designation gives you a competitive edge in the financial industry. It demonstrates expertise, ethical standards, and dedication. With this title, you can unlock opportunities in high-paying roles and gain credibility with employers and clients. Plus, CFAs often earn significantly more than their non-CFA counterparts. How to become a CFA? Becoming a CFA isn't easy, but it's worth the effort. Here's the roadmap. Meet the requirements. You need a bachelor's degree or equivalent, or you can enroll if you're in the final year of your degree program. Pass 3 levels of exams. The CFA exam has 3 levels, each covering topics like ethics, investment tools, and portfolio management. It takes dedication and rigorous study to clear these. Gain work experience. You must have at least 4,000 hours of relevant professional experience in finance over a minimum of 36 months. Apply for the charter. Once you've completed the exams and gained the required experience, you can apply for the CFA charter and join the elite group of finance professionals. Tips for success. To succeed, start with a solid study plan and stay consistent. Use CFA-approved resources and practice regularly. Networking with current CFA charter holders can also provide valuable insights and guidance. And there you have it, a complete guide to the Chartered Financial Analyst designation. Whether you're starting your finance career or looking to level up, the CFA can open doors you never imagined. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone considering the CFA journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.